plant friends. Welcome back to my apartment. Thanks for joining me at this weird angle. I can no longer film on the floor because I have a new adorable dog. Her name is Mabel and she likes to get into things, but I really need to repot some plants. So give me just a second while I finish getting set and basically set up. So the thing that I need to repot today is this Philodendron painted lady cutting that I got right around Thanksgiving. Look at those roots. Pretty cool. There's 2 new leaves coming out. A couple of the older leaves fell off, and I typically actually repot my plants a little bit sooner than this. I find for whatever reason it makes it easier for me for their transition or whatever, but so far so good. So it was rooting in sphagnum moss at one point, and that worked pretty well for this cutting, but not so well for the Royal Queen cutting that I got, which, I mean, I don't even know what this is. It has some growth points, but there's nothing happening. That's going back in water. This is just a candle jar that I got from Target. The candle was like $1. It smelled nice. Anyway, let me get this potted up. I have this really tiny nursery pot. I have potting soil from Petitti's. They're an Ohio company. I loved them when I lived there. I'm not going to amend this a whole lot. This is nice and fluffy without being weighed down. There is some pumice in here, or perlite, excuse me. There's some perlite in here, which is awesome. I have some more I can amend it with, but for now, with this tiny root, with this tiny pot, I'm just gonna use potting soil. Let's do it. Alright guys, so that was how I potted up my little cutting. Nothing special or crazy. I did water it and then put more soil on the top, just because the roots were a little bit nuts, and that's partly why I plant things a little sooner, so I don't have to worry about so many roots. Anyway, there it is. Thanks for sticking with me on this little extra journey. Since I don't have my normal filming set up for the next couple weeks, but we'll get Mabel all acclimated and all that stuff, and we'll go from there. Yeah. Anyway, subscribe or don't. It's nice having you around. It'd be cool to have you back, but no problem. Cool. Okay, bye. Hi, Mabel. Hi, Mabel. Hey, sweetie. Oh, thank you. Hello. Such a good girl. You're such a good girl.